just thinking about the tools is a tool. Just knowing there are tools for living a life that helps us thrive. They were reposting something that an HSP said about how sending love out to everyone who has to change how they are in the world because they've encountered people who saw they were sensitive and took advantage of them. And I just think that that is so true. It happens over and over again. You know, if you're the sponge and you worry so much about other people because of all your good empathy, and so often what will happen is you will get taken advantage of, or you won't get the kind of care and treatment that you need, or you won't get the things you need. I replied to that post saying, you know, yeah, you didn't choose this brain, you didn't choose to be highly sensitive, and yet here you are. This is who you are, and you've got nothing to lose from becoming the leader of every interaction you have in your life. And it's not always easy to make yourself become that leader. And I like Kathy saying, put your hands on your hips and, you know, and kick some ass, basically. I think that that's very true. And I think also sometimes the way I have to do it is to put my hands on his cheeks, talking about a physical therapist who's not very nice or listening, and say, I really want to tell you how vulnerable I feel in this moment. Now, not everybody's safe to do that with, right? But there are times when I use my open-hearted vulnerability as a way to give my deep integrity. And I find that most people can respond to that. And it doesn't always work. And sometimes